In this tutorial, I'll quickly guide you on how to join Pharos Testnet. I did a video on how to claim the first free NFT on Pharos for those that have already joined Pharos Testnet, and for people who are new, who are yet to join because it's still very much early to join. This is how to join Pharos Testnet. You're welcome to my channel. First of all, by the time you connect your EVM wallet, it can be your MetaMask or any other EVM wallet, OKX, you have your dashboard look like this. Let me take you to my Facebook page so you see the step-by-step guide. So the first thing you're going to do is to click on the link here, the referral link, and then connect your EVM wallet. You complete some ongoing tasks, you claim your Faucet, check in daily, and complete some on-chain and social tasks. It's that simple. So this step-by-step guide, I'll leave it in the description of the video so you can use it to arrive at your dashboard here. Okay, so the daily check-in we mentioned as one of the ways to maximize your points on this testnet is right here. You can see that I've already claimed my points for yesterday. I checked in also today being Tuesday. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I will also check in. As from Monday, it's going to reset again. So that is that for this particular task. Then by the time you scroll down here, you're going to see some social tasks you're supposed to perform, like following them on X, that's Twitter, retweeting them on X, replying them on X, and then joining their Discord. So I've already performed the task. You can see that's why it's ticked good. If you're yet to perform the task, just click on any of them and it'll take you to their Twitter handle where you perform all those tasks. Most importantly, we have some of the on-chain tasks here that you're supposed to perform on this testnet, just the same way you'll be checking in every day to maximize your points. You are supposed to come right here and click on swap so that you can perform your swap task. You provide liquidity, you send to friends, and then you invite friends. Let's start with inviting friends. You can come here on top of this place and click on referrals. If you click on referrals, you copy your referral link. Copy your referral link and share to your friends and encourage them to join Pharos Testnet. And then for the on-chain task, we need to first of all claim our Faucet. I'm going to leave the link. I showed you the link here. By the time you click on this link, it's going to bring you right here where you're supposed to claim your Faucet, your Pharos Faucet that you'll be needing or using for some transactions or for some on-chain tasks like swapping and the rest of them. You know you're going to be connecting your wallet when you come here. I've already connected my wallet. You need to collect the same wallet you connected on your Pharos Testnet. All the wallets has to be the same. So by the time you connect your wallet, you're going to be seeing your wallet address here. You simply click on I'm not a robot. You check that. It said select all images with a boss. I can see a boss here. I can see a boss here. I can see a boss here. I also can see a boss here and I can see a boss here. I think I'm done and I'll verify. Yes. I'll now click on claim now. Wow, I've claimed it. Remember, you'll be claiming this every 24 hours. This is how you get the Pharos you'll be using for your on-chain task. Okay. So let's come back to our dashboard. So now I'll click on swap. Now I'm required to swap from Pharos to maybe USDC. But before you do this, remember to always connect your wallet. See the wallet here, you need to connect it. Mine is connected already. So I can just decide to swap from Pharos to maybe USDC. I'll select USDC and I can decide to swap 0.1 Pharos to USDC. It's fetching quotes. We'll have to wait for a while. Yes, we have it here. Then I'll click on swap. I'll confirm the swapping. I'm also required to sign into my wallet, as you can see. Swap submitted, swap success. So I've been able to perform this swap task for today. Then we have other tasks here that you can perform. I've talked about inviting friends. Okay, there's another one here, sent to friends. It's different from inviting friends via your referral link. This is what you're required to do here. You can send Pharos to any of your friends that are also on Pharos. or to any of your friends that is on Pharos Testnet. Okay, I can decide to send 0.001 Pharos out of my available balance. Here you can see that I have up to 0.488 Pharos. So I can decide to send 0.001 Pharos to a friend of mine who is also on Pharos. All I need to do is to collect the wallet address of that my friend and enter it here. Let's assume that the wallet address is 0x1 or something like this. I just need to enter it here and click on send Pharos. Then I'll be able to send Pharos to that my friend. It's just a way of increasing your activities on this testnet. That is that. Finally, there's another one, provide liquidity. If you want to perform that transaction, you simply click on deposit. And then I told you there is a free NFT on Pharos. You need to collect that free NFT. I did a video on it. I will also leave the link to the video in the description of the video, so you can come to this gotcha post and receive your free NFT. Yes, this is where you come and mint your first free NFT. You connect your wallet and mint it. I have a very short tutorial already on it, so I won't be going into it again. Just simply watch that video for a proper guide. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it to your friends. I wish you the best of luck. Thank you, and bye for now.